In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to attach static lists to HubSpot campaigns step by step. If you're running marketing campaigns in HubSpot and want to properly organize your contact segments for tracking, reporting, and attribution, this is something you absolutely need to know. Attaching static lists helps you keep everything structured and makes campaign performance much easier to measure. And as always, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the Campaigns tool inside HubSpot. From your main HubSpot dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. In the drop-down menu, select Campaigns. This will take you to the Campaigns dashboard, where you can see all of your existing campaigns. Next, select the campaign you want to edit. Simply click on the name of the campaign where you want to attach your static list. This will open the Campaign Details page. Once you're inside the campaign, you'll see several tabs across the top. These typically include Overview, Assets, Performance, and Attribution. To attach a static list, click on the Assets tab. The Assets tab is where you connect different marketing assets and CRM components to your campaign. Inside the Assets section, look for the Add Asset button. Click on Add Asset, and from the drop-down menu, choose CRM. Then select Contact Segments, which are your lists. This is where you can connect lists directly to the campaign for tracking and organization purposes. After clicking Contact Segments, HubSpot will show you two main types of lists: static lists and active lists. Static lists are fixed lists of contacts that do not automatically update unless you manually add or remove contacts. Active lists, on the other hand, update automatically based on set filters. Since we're attaching static lists in this tutorial, go ahead and select Static Lists. Now you'll see a list of all available static lists in your HubSpot account. Simply check the box next to the list or lists you want to attach to the campaign. You can select one list or multiple lists depending on your needs. Once you've selected your desired static lists, scroll down and click Save or Add at the bottom of the window. As soon as you do this, those static lists will now be attached to your campaign and visible within the Assets tab. And that's it. Your static lists are now successfully connected to your HubSpot campaign. This allows you to better organize your campaign contacts, improve reporting accuracy, and ensure your marketing data is structured properly inside HubSpot. Quick tip before we wrap up: attaching lists to campaigns is especially helpful when you're running email marketing, paid ads, or segmented outreach, because it gives you clearer attribution and performance tracking across your assets. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future HubSpot tutorials and marketing automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.